difference. Solve the equation below. Which of the following is true? X squared plus 4x minus 77 equals 0. So I'm going to factor this, x squared plus 4x minus 77. I can factor using a double bubble. So I need an x and an x to get my x squared, and then I need the second term in each of these factors to multiply to negative 77, but add to 4. So if I start listing factors of 77, I've got 1 and 77, or 7 and 11, and those are the only options. And I need them to add to positive 4. So I think I want this to be plus 11 and minus 7. Yeah, that works. Okay, so then now that I have this written in factored form and equaling 0, that means that I can set each factor equal to 0 separately, because this is a multiplication problem whose answer is 0. The only way you can multiply two things together and get 0 is if one or the other factor is 0. So either x plus 11 equals 0, or x minus 7 equals 0. And here we get x is negative 11, and here we get x is 7. So we have two solutions. We should double check, plug them into the original equation, make sure you get 0. You do. Um, so there are exactly two solutions, so I can eliminate A and B. And I'm looking for negative 11 and positive 7, which is in option C. There's negative 11, positive 7. And just because in some other problems that you will see in this review and possibly on the test, um, you do get extraneous solutions. So we really should be in the habit of checking our solutions. So I'm going to do it quickly. I'm going to say negative 11 squared plus 4 times negative 11 minus 77. Does that equal 0? Well, negative 11 squared, that's 121, minus 44 minus 77, does that equal 0? So 44 and 77 is 121. So this is 121 minus 121. Yes, that equals 0. And then let's check the 7 also. So I'm going to have 7 squared plus 4 times 7 minus 77. Does that equal 0? So 49 plus 28 minus 77. Does that equal 0? Well, 49 and 28 is 77. So this is 77 minus 77. Yes, that equals 0. So they are, in fact, both solutions.